In a dramatic twist within Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF Secretary for Women's League, Mabo Shinomona, has said his sights on Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's position. The move marks a significant escalation in the party's internal power struggles. Sanapenda mashoko atiri kuona kuti aiwa VP Chiwenga toona kuti panapa voda kusideline nevanhu veWomen's League noti vasubscribe like turn on the bell kuti tipinda naumwe kwamutsinzi. Reports suggest that President Emmerson Mnangagwa was backing Chimona's bid a strategic maneuver to sideline Chiwenga. The ongoing functional tensions within ZANU-PF are increasingly influencing the party's dynamics. The Mnangagwa seemingly leveraging Chimona's ascent as a way to consolidate his own influence and remove a rival. Chimona's intentions became more evident following a notable political event on Wednesday. During a gathering in Chinhoyi, she engaged with the party members from Mashonaland West, where she not only reinforced her political presence but also underscored his commitment to women's empowerment. In a symbolic gesture of support, Chimona distributed 5,000 Roadrunner chickens to local women, a move intended to bolster his standing within the party and demonstrate a dedication to the ruling party's social initiatives. Tomashoko atiri kuona panapa kuti aiwa this lady ava kutopusha kuti aiwa atokwanisa kutokambenawo akwanisa kutovhoterwawo kuti aiwa akukontesta kuti akutogonziwo ndiye achazonzi aite the vice president. Ari kutokambena papa pamuri kuona kuti aiwa anopa this community 5,000 maroad runners. Vamukuziva kuti aiwa kumarural areas vanhu ndo zvanotorama nazvo fanike izvezvi nyika yakaoma kune drought. Panapa tikuona this move iri kuonekwa chinzi aiwa ndeye kuconsolidate his power yari kuda kuti aiwa vasideline zviri kunzi aiwa his move is being backed nevanhu vemutunga vari kusapota mutungamiri wenyika vachiti aiwa he must be the vice president asideline VP Chiwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kuipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.